The 2025 Met Gala was full of breathtaking fashion and unforgettable moments, but one star, in particular, found himself at the center of an online storm: Punjabi singer and actor Diljit Dosanjh. Diljit made a statement with his bold, Maharaja-inspired look, paying tribute to his Punjabi roots. The outfit, complete with a turban, cape, jewels, and a sword, turned heads and sparked immediate attention. But not everyone was on board. Some fans took issue with Diljit's decision to wear something so culturally rooted, with one user commenting, "Nobody cares if Diljit Dosanjh is Indian, he still need to follow the theme." And this was just one of many similar posts. In response, many fans slammed what they saw as casual racism aimed at Diljit. One fan posted, "The amount of casual racism I've seen over Diljit's Met outfit is so y'all just mad a brown man outdid your faves." Another echoed the same sentiment, "Casual racism so bad I wish SRK and Diljit just stayed home." Some critics came to Diljit's defense, stating that he had, in fact, dressed according to the theme. One user wrote, "Diljit dressed according to the theme. But what would illiterates know? Did you ever research the theme?" But the controversy didn't end with his outfit. Reports emerged that Diljit's team had asked to wear the iconic Patiala necklace, a piece of jewelry once owned by Maharaja Bhupinder Singh of Patiala. The singer wanted to pay homage to the late Maharaja by wearing the actual necklace. However, Cartier, the luxury brand behind the jewelry, reportedly denied the request, claiming the necklace is now sealed in a museum. This sparked outrage online, especially when fans pointed out the double standard. One user wrote, "So Emma Chamberlain can wear a colonially looted Indian royal heirloom for aesthetic, but Diljit can't wear a Patiala necklace from his own culture." The controversy grew when people recalled that in 2022, influencer Emma Chamberlain had worn a Cartier choker made from a segment of the very same Patiala necklace at the Met Gala, sparking backlash due to the colonial history of the piece. Many took to social media to express their frustration, with one user posting, "It's ironic how this year's Met Gala theme centered around color and culture, yet Cartier denied Diljit the chance to wear a necklace rooted in India and his own heritage, the same necklace Emma Chamberlain wore without issue." Another added, "So Cartier denied Diljit